at the basics, what do you guys do and what is your strategy?
So Digital Gamma is a derivatives proprietary trading shop. And so what we do is we try to find pricing opportunities in derivatives, whether that's fixed rate futures, perpetuals, or options, where there's what we like to think of as structural edge. Structural edge to me means that I can understand why there's a mispricing in something, right? And that might be like something we spoke about before, which is there are isolated pools of order flow. And one customer or set of customers may only have access to a particular venue to participate on. And if it turns out that there's buying interest on one exchange or one venue and selling on a different one, then there's an opportunity for somebody that has the ability to trade on both to take advantage of that and do two things. One, hopefully make a little money for ourselves. And two, also help out the market, because it's not really helpful to the market or to the participants that are trying to sell at disparate prices that they're disparate prices, right? So it is, in fact, contributing to market efficiency. And that is something that we think of in what we do.